Well, now we want to check of our weather forecast on this Friday. I think sort of all eyes are on the weekend, but we wish maybe it was patio weather and grilling out. That's not really going to be the case. So maybe stay in and watch some basketball, right, Mackenzie?
I'll definitely take that. You know, when it comes to the swings of these ups and downs, that's when we start to see more and more severe weather. And it is Severe Weather Awareness Week. So want to get to your tip for today. So one thing that we want to mention, if you are out and about, how do you get those weather alerts? Well, if you live in Franklin County, you may know every Wednesday they do test that tornado siren. Here in Franklin County, when there is a tornado warning, beyond, of course, testing, when the National Weather Service issues a tornado warning, you'll start to hear that siren go off. Keep in mind, the threat may still not be over if you hear that siren stop or pause. So that's why you want to make sure that you're quickly moving into a shelter indoors. If you do hear that siren go off, stay there for the duration until you're noted otherwise from the media that things are all clear. You have the safe to go. You can always get those alerts also from our free 10 TV app right to your cell phone. Maybe a better way if you are doing any traveling out and about. And this weekend, I think a lot of people, unfortunately, are going to be indoors with the colder weather we are tracking and a bit of messy weather along the way. Now, we are tracking a few rain showers off to our north. Thankfully, none of this severe, and we're not tracking any severe weather here over the next 24 hours, but definitely going to be a bit inconvenient. Starting off, cloudy and cold for us this morning. We're at 41 degrees right now in the capital city, but that breeze is making it feel much colder out there. Feels like it's 36 with the wind chill, and our breeze really not that hefty to start you off this morning. So make sure you have all of that winter wear as you step out the door earlier on. You're going to want the warmer jacket, the winter wear, especially this weekend. Bring those warm thoughts along with you, as well as the umbrella throughout the day today, because it is going to be chilly and dreary. Temperatures climbing into the mid to upper 40s, so really not moving much throughout the day, with those showers mainly moving in after lunchtime into that evening commute. Let me walk you hour by hour. We'll remain quiet but cloudy the next few hours, even throughout the late morning. Inching closer to lunchtime, that heavier rain will continue to sit off to our north. This will start to move off to the south, becoming a bit scattered as we head into that evening commute. Here's a look at 6 o'clock. And again, not really seeing much heavy rain, but could have a few pockets as we head closer towards 9, 10 o'clock tonight. And that's when we're going to see that colder air start to move in. Once we get past midnight, that colder air will transition some of those rain showers into a few snow showers. That's what we'll be tracking for you come early Saturday morning. Few pockets of some heavier snow is possible, but all in all, this will be pretty scattered and pretty light, just allowing for a light accumulation out there. So most places across central Ohio really just going to see a dusting, mainly on the elevated surfaces, but can't rule out a few pockets of half of an inch as we round out the day on Saturday. And then we're tracking our next weather maker as we head into next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and into Thursday. This will mainly be rain, but I just want to show you as we head closer to next week, few models are showing a bit of a wintry mix early on Tuesday. Again, still some time out to work out the details, but just giving you a look ahead. We'll see a little bit of a break Wednesday with a few lingering showers, but then another batch of rain will move in on Thursday. This one is going to be a little bit more widespread, a little bit heavier as we head into the day on Thursday. So again, models will change. We're just keeping an eye on as we head into the next week, so make sure you keep tuning back into this forecast. Speaking of, let's take a look at that extended forecast for you. It'll be cold, dreary throughout the first half of the day today. We're going to climb into the mid to upper 40s later on. We'll see some of that rain crawling in as we head closer towards the late afternoon, early evening. A few pockets of heavier rain out there. That'll transition into a few snow showers overnight into early Saturday morning as much colder air starts to move into the area. Saturday and Sunday, it is going to be a bitterly cold weekend. Highs only into the mid to upper 30s Sunday. Drier conditions, though, as we take you into the second half of the weekend. Monday, looking like kind of the nicest day so far in terms of zero precipitation, sunny skies, but it'll be chilly. Highs only into the 40s. And then next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, as we look ahead to our next weather maker, some models showing the chance for a brief wintry mix on Tuesday, rain moving in Wednesday and Thursday, but we're looking at some much warmer air. We'll take that 60s by Wednesday and Thursday, and at least Friday as we round out next week with some warmer air.